last night I installed the carburetors with the modified Canadian needles in it. Put back in, decided to go back to that after trying 3 or 4 sets of needles. Just modified the Canadian needles, put them on the lowest setting. Right now, there's no pods. She's just running with open carburetors on it. It's been sitting for about 14 hours now. That's going to see how many kicks it's going to take to start it over. The carburetors have only been set up with 3 turns out on the air screw and with feeler gauges to sync them. I haven't got around to doing the proper sync and setting up the air screws yet. So let's have a look and see how she starts, eh? There you go, guys. Impressed myself. I thought it was going to take 3 kicks.